Welcome back to another fun and exciting episode. Kitchen. This kitchen, the water pressure is literally trickling out. It's galvanized. However, part of this building has been repiped with copper. So we're trying to figure out, obviously the kitchen water for this and that one are gonna be on the same riser. So we gotta figure out, we're gonna crawl under real quick, figure out how it comes up, whether it comes up like this and it goes around. But just doing a repipe to the second floor, and the owner wants to do it in copper, but if it's too difficult, I might just use PEX. Okay, so we got, it's definitely galvy, but we got two risers right there. And look at this. I mean, we're gonna have to replace this whole thing, man. I mean, this is really bad. I mean, golly, who does that? Okay. So they do actually pipe it. This side goes up and then comes over. That side goes up and then comes over. Right here underneath, that's our kitchen sink window. So I think we had a little change of plan. I was gonna run copper all the way out of the crawl space, but this video will not do it justice. But there's no room to do this. There's literally no room. And I got these drains, kitchen drains in the way. So I mean, this is really tight down here. So we got an Uponor adapter there on that's the hot. This is the cold Uponor adapter. Okay, that's it. We got the Uponor, got the hot, I got the cold over there. Very tight space, very tight. There you go, water's back on. We bent these in a little bit, push these in as far as they go so that they can stucco over this. The stucco doesn't have to look pretty. I mean, nobody sees anything right here. So there may be a slight hump right here, and up there, but it's not that big of a deal. I don't even think, I mean, you can see how much those are inside. But we put some Boca plates, some nail guards. Now we just got to do the faucets inside and the angle stops. Man, this job is just turning into more and more. So we're gonna have to bust out all these tiles to fit a new sink, because obviously these are no longer in use. But this I think the tile is going to be too thick for the drop-in stainless steel sink, right? Because the holes have to go right here, so we can install the water lines and all that. Hey, Violent Al, what do you think?